Okay, so what I was saying, let me do that part over again. So I've got my pole vector object selected. I'm going to add the leg IK to the selection by holding down Shift and selecting it. Then I'll go to Constrain, Pole Vector, Option Box. There's really not any options in here besides this weight, which we want to be left at 1. And then click Add. And then what that does is wherever this object points the knee is going to point to it. So let me turn off polygon so we can see this a little bit easier. And if I move this around, you can see that the knee follows it. Okay, and that's just what we wanted. So I'm going to leave it there by default, and I'm going to hide it. We don't really need to be able to see it. And it belongs to this foot control now. So wherever the foot control goes, this is going to go. So let me show it again for a second just so you can see. And it's always going to try to point to that. So even if I go up really high and off to the side, it's going to do its best to point to it. Okay, and that's the simplest IK inverse kinematic setup there is. Okay, there's other options that are more robust, but that's the easy one. So we're going to leave that there, and next class period we'll cover weight painting. Move my foot control back to where it was, and actually I need to freeze transformations on the foot real quick. So I'll go and modify, freeze transformations, and that way I can just set these to 0 to pop it back to the default location. Okay, I should have done that earlier, but I forgot.